MEV TR1KE. What if you could take the raw power of a superbike engine and put it into a three-wheeled exoskeleton built for pure speed? That's exactly what the MEV TR1KE delivers. This lightweight, high-performance kit car weighs just 715 pounds, yet it's powered by a Yamaha R1 motorcycle engine, pushing up to 235 horsepower. That means supercar acceleration, without the supercar price tag. The chassis is a fully welded tubular frame, designed for maximum rigidity with minimum weight. Adjustable Pro-Tech coilovers and double wishbone suspension keep it sharp in the corners, while optional 4-piston brakes give you track-level stopping power. Its design is stripped down and aggressive. Every aluminum panel, every bolt, built for one purpose: speed. Inside, it's raw and minimal. No frills, no luxury, just you, the machine, and the road. With power-to-weight ratios rivaling elite supercars, the MEV TR1KE is not for the faint of heart. It's for drivers who crave that visceral connection, the kind where every vibration, every gear shift, and every turn feels amplified. And the best part, you can build it yourself. With a base kit starting around $8,100, you're not just buying a car, you're creating your own weapon for the track. So, would you dare to drive the MEV TR1KE?